Phakathi kohlu lwezikhalo, izisebenzi zifuna ukuqashwa ngokugcwele, ukuphathwa ngokulingana nezinye izisebenzi, ukuqedwa kohlelo lokudilizwa kwezisebenzi kanye nezimo ezingcono zokusebenza.
We are tired, comrades, of being abused by these old people. Now we must come together, comrades, as poor black child and make sure that we defend ourselves, we protect ourselves.
Izisebenzi zisola uhulumeni ngokuzixhaphaza kulandela ukunqanyulwa kwezinkontileka zezisebenzi ezingaphezulu kweminyaka engama-60 ubudala.
They themselves, even if the DG can be maybe over 60, but he's still here leading the department. So we are saying we want them to give us, to treat us equally. We don't want them to mistreat us.
Over 20,000 of people who have been terminated their contract are owed by department. Now, the reality of the matter is that the humanity now is that how do you expel or dismiss somebody that you still owe?
Inhlangano iMayibuye Movement ibiyingxenye yemashi yeseka lezi zisebenzi. Umholi wayo Flor Shibambo uthi bafuna ziqashwe ngokugcwele izisebenzi ze-EPWP zithole nemihlomulo efanele.
Must be given full-time jobs with proper salaries, with pension benefits and proper protection as workers. It doesn't make sense that you can employ people for more than 10 years, for more than 15 years, and you treat them as if they are just stepchildren of government.
Izisebenzi zifuna izimpendulo ungakapheli lo nyaka ka-2025.